Fantastic. So now that you're sitting comfortably, we can begin. I'd like to remind you all that mindfulness is an activity that you can do absolutely anywhere. You can do it before a sports game, you can do it at recess or at lunch, you can do it at home in your bedroom, you can do it absolutely anywhere. We're doing it in a public place right now. In all of these areas, there may be some distractions that come through. The important thing is to focus on what mindfulness is. So to focus on a particular thing, to come back to that after the distraction. For us, that is going to be the story that I will lead through you now. So we'll begin. If I could get everyone to close their eyes. Remember, this is a time just for you. Now try and make your mind go completely blank. Forget everything outside of the room. Just focus on you. And I want you to take one deep breath in and hold it, and one deep breath out. Once again, one deep breath in. Hold it, and one deep breath out. One more time. Hold it, and deep breath out. So remember, eyes closed now. All you need to do is listen to my story. A long time ago, a very, very long time ago, no one knows exactly how long, no one can be sure, something miraculous happened. Something that had never happened before. On this particular day, there was nothing. Everything was dark. And then there was something. It was all light, and it expanded faster than you can even fathom, faster than you can believe. We know this as the day the Big Bang happened. And for hundreds and hundreds of years, our universe expanded. It grew from the size of a marble. And it continued to expand faster and became bigger. And it was all light. Just brilliant light, brighter than we can ever imagine. Atoms flying through the air, hydrogen and helium were the first. And after thousands of years, those atoms came together, creating big balls of gas, which we call stars. And those stars came together, grew and burst apart again to create new atoms. And over millions and millions of years, this continued. Stars growing in nebulas, creating whole galaxies and black holes and supernovas. And new elements were created as rockets of rock flew around the universe, hitting others. One day, our sun came into being, and gravity pulled lots of these comets together to create the planets. Those same atoms from the beginning of the Big Bang had come together to create our Earth. And for thousands and thousands and thousands of years, there was nothing on our Earth, but slowly water came into being. And from water came life. From that life, there were little amoebas, these tiny microscopic things that we can't even see with our own eyes. And that continued on and on to dinosaurs and grass and the trees that you can see and waves, until one day humans were created. They came into being after evolution worked and worked and worked. And then castles were created, and cabbages and Tupperware and knives and forks and buildings, planes. The point I'm trying to make is that one day, on one particular very special day, those same atoms from the beginning of time came together to create you. You are utterly unique in this universe. There is only one of you. There has never been anyone like you before, and there will never be anyone after. Now I want you just for a moment to sit and feel the amazing power that that has, the amazing power that you have. Let's take 3 more deep breaths. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. And one more time. And out. And slowly open your eyes and enter the classroom or wherever you are watching this video again. Have a look around. Stretch a bit if you can. So that is a mindfulness activity. There are many other ways to create mindfulness, to meditate, and I encourage you to research those and find the one that's best for you. Because mindfulness and meditation can create an amazing amount of control over our emotions and our motivation.